The dinosaurs fart. That changed the world. Subscribe for our weekly short stories. In a world of giants, fierce and grand, lived a T-Rex, ruler of the land. With teeth like knives and a mighty roar, but there's a tale you haven't heard before. One day, our T-Rex, so big and mean, let out a fart. Oh my, what a scene! A rumble and a tumble, a thunderous sound, shook the whole earth, all around. The other dinos looked in surprise, as the skies filled with smelly cries. The T-Rex just chuckled, couldn't stop the fun, little did it know what had begun. The fart was so massive, so utterly wide, it traveled the world, far and wide. The earth shook, the skies turned grey, dinosaurs fled, running away. But our T-Rex, in the middle of the mess, kept on tooting, causing distress. The ground quaked, volcanoes erupted, all because our T-Rex just interrupted. 66 million years ago to this day. Who would have thought it would happen this way? So giggle and chuckle, and give a wink, to think the T-Rex's fart made the dinosaurs extinct. The end. Subscribe, like and share for more fun short stories.